Hey guys, it's Cleshawn. I am back and better than ever, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing back the 10 by 10 collection. However, this one is a summer to fall transitional 10 by 10. So if you don't know what the 10 by 10 collection is, it's when you take 10 pieces of clothes and shoes and you mix and match them to get 10 outfits for 10 different days. I have been doing this for a while now and I really like it, and it works for so many different occasions. You don't need to do them seasonally. You can do them several times a month for whatever occasion you need, especially traveling and work. Before I get into those 10 items, I just wanted to show off this nice watch that I just got. I have been wearing it every day and I was gifted it by Nordgreen. It's an amazing Scandinavian company designed by this award-winning designer, Jacob Wagner, though obviously that's pronounced a little bit differently over in this part of the world. What I love about this watch in particular is that it's just really cool and it's high quality, and I just feel super fancy in it, but it's not like snobby, and it's literally, you can get it at an attainable price, which I think is really nice because I think everyone deserves just a little bit of luxury. But the most important thing about this watch and the company is really their CSR and their ethos. So every time you buy a watch, a portion of the profits go to one of 3 NGOs that you yourself choose, and I have found myself really getting into ethical fashion and ethical shopping, and they are a sustainable company, and I find that that is really amazing, especially in these days when I think we need to just take a little bit more responsibility with the things we're buying and how we're shopping. So yeah, I do have a 15% off link, so if you are interested in looking at the watch, this one in particular is called the Philosopher, I will have a link in the description box below. You can click it and just browse and shop if you like, and again, you'll get 15% off. So enough about this awesome watch. Let's get into the 10 by 10. So in this 10 by 10, I have 4 tops, 1 jumpsuit, 3 pairs of bottoms, and 2 pairs of shoes. First item I'm going to show you is this nice little silky short sleeve crop top that I got at Forever 21 earlier this summer when I was in New Orleans. It has a nice little floral print, and it just, I don't know, I feel so cute and sophisticated when I'm in it, and I like that it's florally, which makes me feel kind of feminine even though I have sort of masculine style. So this has been a really nice addition to my wardrobe overall. This next piece is just a ribbed tank top that has these nice little tie straps on it. I wear this all the time. I wear it year round. It's so versatile and I love it, and I don't need to wear a bra with it. The next top is my faux suede button down shirt. I've had this for a few years now. I took it out of my mom's closet a really long time ago, and it has joined me in Sweden. I absolutely love this. It's super soft and super comfy, and this is, for me, this is more of a true fall piece. The last top I am going to show you is this sheer long sleeve top that I got from Target ages ago, and it's just a sheer long sleeve top. I absolutely love it because it's super billowy, and it's nice when you tuck it into pants, high-waisted pants, and you have that nice little billowy effect. So this guy is amazing, very versatile. The next piece I'm going to show you is my jumpsuit. It is also a new piece that I got earlier this year in the summer from Forever 21. It has this nice little plaid print. It looks kind of like Glen Check, but not really. And then it has this nice little tie here at the boobs, and I wear this all the, like, I've worn this so much I had to tell myself to stop wearing it because people are gonna see me in the same outfit all the time, but that's the point of having the small capsule. Like, wear the same stuff over and over in different ways, though granted I literally was wearing it the same way, but in this 10 by 10 you're gonna see me style this guy a few different ways. The next piece is this nice moto faux leather skirt. I think you may have seen this before. Definitely have featured this on this channel. This is why I love when I find good pieces that just can last year after year and season after season, no matter your style. I mean, this guy is just so freaking amazing. The next 2 pieces are my bottoms. These are some high-waisted khakis. They look pretty boring. I'm sure you're thinking it, but they're hella cute, and they're very high-waisted, which is why I love them, and they're a little bit baggy and they're cropped. So these guys are one of my favorite pairs of bottoms. And the last pair of bottoms, geez, I did not prepare any of this. All right, so these guys are one of my favorite pair of pants. They're from Madewell, but for their premium brand, Rivet and Thread. This is just their higher end pair of jeans, and I'm sure you guys know I talk about Madewell jeans all the time because they're amazing, and I really do think that they're worth the cost. What I like about these is it has the button fly, and these are also super high-waisted and also cropped, so they hit me right at the ankle, which is what I love. So I finally got some Vans. but I didn't get the old school ones because I told you guys I don't like them. So I just got the classic, I don't even know what these are called, Vans. I'll put them in the description box below so you can see, but I love these shoes. They go with everything and I just feel so cool and they're comfy. So I even wear these to work. I try to get away with wearing this, though I'm not really supposed to wear tennis shoes. So the last pair of shoes are some new ones. I got these from H&M. They're just like a gold strappy sandal and I love them. I got them to go to my friend's wedding in Spain. They have this nice little like double strap, but they're connected in the middle, which is what I really liked. And then this cross ankle strap here that has like a little cross in the back. So these are cute. They're really short heel, they're chunky heels, so they are very comfortable to wear and they have a really nice thick sole. And I probably paid less than $30 for them. Do not sleep on the H&M shoes, let me tell you. So guys, that was my 10 by 10 collection, the 10 pieces I plan to style and create a lookbook for my summer to fall transitional capsule. So if you want to see how I style those 10 different pieces, just stay tuned for the next video and I will have an amazing lookbook for you there. So I will see you next time. Bye.